Yo, what's up, everyone? This is Daniel with ReflectAudio.com. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today, I want to go ahead and show you all a couple of approaches that you can take to create sub basses on your end. So, without further ado, let's just dive into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in FL Studio. I have an instance of Omnisphere pulled up, and I have an 808. I'm going to go ahead and try and be as swift but elaborate within detail as much as possible for you all. I'm going to start with Omnisphere. This workflow that I'm about to demonstrate can be applied to any synth that you use. If you use Silent, Massive, Omnisphere, whatever the case may be, the workflow should still apply. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate over to the little A section right here within Omnisphere, and I'm going to go ahead and select the sine wave. And you're pretty much already halfway home from here. I'm going to go ahead and take this pitch down to about, let's say, -12. If I go into the lower range, we already have a sub bass. I'm going to take the decay and sustain all the way up, and I'm going to take the release down and the attack down. I changed the shape a little bit. And that is one way to approach creating a sub. It's very, very simple within synthesizers. You can go ahead and go to the effects, and you can add like distortions, really whatever you see fit. The choice is yours as far as So that's one way. That's one way to approach creating subs using a synthesizer. Another way is using an 808, and I'll go ahead and demonstrate that as well for you all. So as you can see, I have an 808 right here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up within Edison, which I've already done right here. And I highlighted basically a loop point that I want to go ahead and loop over and over. So as you can see, I have this section right here. If I play it for you all, it sounds kind of like a Moogie type synth. It has some Moog value in there, in my personal preference, for my personal opinion. But it's also a good loop. It sounds like one solid, loop over and over and over. You can't hear a breaking point. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and use this tool right here within Edison. I'm going to go ahead and use this little drag/copy sample selection tool, and I'm going to drag it into its own channel. And then within here, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that the use loop points is enabled, and I'm going to normalize it. So as you can hear now, we also have another sub from an 808. So let's say if I go ahead and play it, it'll play as long as you have the note for. And then let's say if I go ahead and want to add some slides, you can go ahead and do that. And the slide's really, really, really nice. There you all have it. And then from that point forward, if you want to go ahead and add some effects, that's subjective. I just wanted to show you all how to create the actual subs. If you have any questions, by all means, please feel free to drop them in the comments down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. If you're not, be sure to give me a follow on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, as I would genuinely appreciate your support. Come on down to ReflectAudio.com. Y'all have a great day.